The next project we're going to be looking at is making a wall-mounted holder so that we can hang our lamp that we created in the last step or the last project from the wall if we like. So you can kind of see if this is the wall over here, it's going to be hanging straight down from that, and we put a little hole in there for it to hang from. The cord will be hanging through there. So before we get too far, let's start talking about how big things should be here and start assigning some variables. So we are going to need to look at our lamp and find out how far it is from the center, how far you want it to hang from the wall, right? So it's not the full diameter, it's the distance from here, from the center to the wall. So it's the radius from the center to the outside edge, plus a little bit how far you want it to hang from the wall. So that number is kind of up to you, depending on what your lamp looks like. This one was a little narrower, so it's a little smaller and stuff. But that needs to be small enough that it can actually get laser cut. But what we need to start putting in here is some values for the height, so how tall this is, the width, how wide it is this way, and the length from here to this back edge there, how far it is in that direction as well. So when we are making our new document here, let's create some variables with those numbers. These numbers are up to you. So give it some good numbers, right? I'm just going to put some numbers in there right now that I am making up. And the last one you are going to also need will be height, length, will be the thickness of the wood, as always, that we've talked about before. You should hopefully know this value by now, but that number is going to be important too. So you get all your values in there. Obviously mine aren't correct, and all those depend on how big you want your hanging wall mount to be. Once we got that, come back and you'll see the next video. See you soon.